Hey guys, so today I will just quickly show you how to get a modded version of the game Emergency HQ for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can actually get unlimited gems, right? So I'm going to turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works. So let's see what happens to our game. So as you can see, nothing has happened yet, but hopefully they start increasing. So let's see what we get, guys, on Emergency HQ. Nothing. Come on now, bring me something. Let's see what we're doing, guys. Are we getting Rise or oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Emergency HQ hack for iOS and Android. Super cool. Works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. All right, so first thing we have to do is open up our browser and go to this website called tweakmod.com. So let me just type that in right here. So this is the website where you can download this. So go to the search bar, type in emergency, press install. So before this downloads, it's going to be a verification. This is the last step. Basically, you just download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long to download, but I'm just going to wait for it to load, as you can see. So let's just see what happens. All right. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So let's see if we get it to load. All right. And now we just got to verify our device. So you just got to download some apps. So you can see it says missing files. So just pick 2 of them. So like Underdog says down in room for 30 seconds. So I could do that. I could do TikTok down in room for 30 seconds. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. But yeah, make sure you download 2 of the apps and then you'll have the Emergency HQ hack for your device. There's also like swag bucks. So yeah, there's lots of them, but just make sure you get 2 of them. You read what it says to do, and then you will have the Emergency HQ hack.